Okay, demoing stuff that is going out now. Should see it in within an hour or two. You'll notice that the health thing for DBT, which has been here for a while, is gone. And instead, there is a notification bubble on the DBT IDE tab. Yeah, this basically completes a long chain of work to replace the health with stuff in the DBT IDE. So you click that, the notification goes away, and it kind of draws your attention to this box here that is essentially like a summary of what's going on with your health. And this is the overall information that you might have seen in the health. And it points you to, to examine the specific details in here. And so you can see that you have one thing that's not matched. You can click in and it corresponds to this file not matching. If you were to, let's say, ignore issues in there, it switches to, a yellow warning instead. So you can distinguish things not matching from all other sorts of issues by the only red things are like things not matching. And yeah, if you happened to ignore everything, then you'll be looking good. That's it.
Saw that, Steven. Steven's switching places in the back here.
Alrighty, looks like I am getting substituted in for Steven right now. Just give me a second. Cool. So